Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to this video. In this video we're going to solve this question: reverse string. Write a function that reverses a string. The input string is given as an array of characters. For example, if you're given this string hello, this string is represented as character array HELLO. If you're given this string, we have to return this string. If you're given these strings, if we reverse this string, then we get this string. So if we're given this string, we have to return this string. Now, how we can solve this problem? For sake of understanding, let's assume we're given this array. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to create an array here. So let's create an array. The size of this array is the size of the given array, because we want to store the array element in reverse order. We're given character array. Here we are creating this array, and the size of this array is the size of a given array. Now what we're going to do, we're going to iterate through the given string from right to left, and we will insert this value right over here O, then here L, then here L, then E, then H. So we'll iterate this array from right to left, and in this array we'll iterate from left to right. This is how we can solve this problem, but creating this new array will take bigger of in space complexity, and this solution also takes bigger of in time complexity. But the constraint to this problem is that we have to solve this problem in constant space complexity. Now, how we can solve this problem in constant space complexity? If we have to solve this problem in constant space complexity, then what we have to do, we have to solve this problem in flash. So let's see how we can solve this problem in constant space complexity. To solve this problem in constant space complexity, we're going to use two pointers. Left pointer will point to this first element, and right pointer will point to this last element. Now what we're going to do, we're going to swap the value at left pointer and right pointer. After swapping the value, we'll move left pointer to the right and right pointer to the left. We'll swap and move the value at these two pointer while left is less than right. So let's swap these two value O and Ace. O will move here and Ace will move here. Now we're going to move left to this element, and we're going to move right to this element. Now we're going to swap these two, E and L, so L will move here, E will move here. Then we're going to move left right here, and we're going to move left right here and right pointer right here. We see that this condition is false, so we're done, and we will simply return this array. And we're doing this in flat, so the solution will take bigger of 1 space complexity. For the worst case, you have to traverse this array once, so the time complexity is bigger of n, where n is the length of the given array. Now let's see the pseudocode. This is the pseudocode to solve this problem. We declare this function reverse string. This function takes is as input. Then here we're declaring two pointer left and right. Left pointer point to the first element, right pointer points to the last element. Then we're running a loop while left is less than right. Then we're storing the left value at this temp pointer. Then we're updating the value at left pointer with the value of right pointer. Then we're updating the value at right pointer with the value temp. Then we're moving left to right and right to left. If you're given this string barik, here we'll declare two pointer, left will point here, right will point here. So we'll swap this to value b and k. So k will moves here and b will moves here. Now we're going to move left to this element and right to this element. Now we're going to swap a and I, so I will move here and a will move here. Then we're going to move left to this element and right to this element. Now we see this condition is false. Left is not less than right. Here left and right is equal. So we're done. we solve this problem in Fletch. So this solution takes big of in time complexity. For the worst case, we traverse this array from left to right once, and it will take big of 1 space complexity. Actually, this solution will take bigger of in divided to time complexity, and that's equivalent to big of n. For time complexity analysis, we discard the constant part, so the time complexity is big of n. Hope you have understood how to solve this problem. If you have any question, if you have any suggestion, let us know. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.